pretty good, buddy.
Okay, sorry. It's like at night I would be so scared.
Oh no. Is it freeze or?